In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website wireframe in Miro. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Miro.com and make sure to create an account by entering right here your work email, or if you already have one, just proceed to click on this login. So in this case, you can actually just use your Gmail account for this part as well. So a website wireframe is typically something that serves as a navigation for all the pages that you have on your site. So let's proceed to create that using Miro. Into this case, head over to your dashboard and click on this from Miro Burst. After that, this should be able to show you in here this. Click onto the search bar and search in here for wireframe. Now proceed to click on the enter on your keyboard in order to search for particular templates that have the wireframes for your website. Now just wait for this to load and it will show you app wireframe as well as dashboard wireframe. We can also have the no-code wireframing and database right there. So on my case, I'll choose right here this dashboard wireframe. Click on this use template. Then this will open that particular board into my actual Miro wherein I can actually edit this particular template. Here is our wireframe right here. Let me head over and zoom in for us to see it better. And you can find it right here. You can just proceed to edit it according to your liking. Like for example, you can delete certain parts that you wish to delete. You can just proceed to click on those elements that you wish to delete right there, and then head over and then delete them if you want by clicking on this option and deleting it. As well as you can edit it in order to make it plausible for your actual site right there, and it needs to have navigation system for your own website. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.